Hi friends, today we will unbox this tripod 3110. I had purchased it from Amazon.com. I will give you the link in the description if you want to buy. So on the front side there is the model name of that is 3110 and actually below the tripod is given. On the side some features are given such as height and other some how much weight it can hold and other 4 features are given. So on the back side it is same as the front side, and on the fourth side some more features are given like it is 3-way and 3 sector, and it also have an quick mobile grip, so mobile smartphone grip to hold the smartphone with the tripod. So now we will unbox this tripod. In this we have an mobile holder, we also have an bag to carry the tripod. The quality of the bag is not so good, but it is better to keep your tripod into that bag. So in this we have our main product, that is a tripod. So now we will test it. Let me extend it. I'm opening it fully at its maximum height. Our tripod is ready. You can see it also have an bubble level indicator for leveling. There is an handle for opening the mouth of the tripod stand. There is also a handle to change the view of the camera. So now I will fix my smartphone on this tripod. I have fixed the smartphone on the tripod. As you can see, it is not pressing any of the buttons like power or volume key. It is very steady, as you can see. It is better to fix. So as you can see, one image on the one screen you can see the camera on tripod, and on the other camera view in hand. So I am adjusting the camera view with the handle, and on the camera on tripod view you can completely see the stability. Height comparison. In height comparison you can see the maximum height of the tripod is much bigger than the box. I will minimize it. I minimized this tripod. You can see it is smaller than the box. Yes, it is very small, portable. It is very portable as it is small. So if you like the video, click on the thumbs icon